Hello guys, Rotordil here, and today I want to talk about maybe the best accessory you could currently get for the Xiaomi 4K drone. We are talking about the new stick, the 3-axis stick named X1BH. This is basically something that you can use to get photographs and videos, stabilized photographs and videos with the Xiaomi 4K camera alone. So for example, if you have purchased the Xiaomi 4K drone like many of us, you can just disconnect the camera, because you usually do that when you pack up the quadcopter, and connect it to this 3-axis gimbal. The thing about this 3-axis gimbal is mainly high quality stabilization, which comes from your camera stabilizer, and low price. You can get this gimbal at around $60 US, and I'm gonna put information and links in the description of this video. And the important thing here is that you have all the capabilities like in many other 3-axis gimbals. You have the joystick which you can use. I don't actually have the product yet because it's still in the mail, but I'm gonna have it soon, and when I do, you'll see a review in the channel, obviously. You can use the stick itself to the gyro that's on the stick to move the gimbal. So for example, you can really take steady shots, and all in all, it comes with its own battery, which means that you have lots of time to actually record video after you finished your battery on the drone. So that's really important. And another thing that's cool about this whole thing is that you do get the ability to use the Xiaomi 4K drone app while you have the camera connected to the gimbal. So this is really interesting, because you can see the live feed and actually use a stabilized camera and just pay $60 US for this. So amazing accessory. You must have it if you have the Xiaomi 4K drone. I personally bought it, so I'm waiting for it to arrive so I can do a full thorough review. But the reviews currently on the shopping site show that this product is amazing, and it has an average of 4.8 out of 5. So thank you for watching this recommendations for the Xiaomi 4K stabilizer, and I'm gonna see you on our next videos. Thank you very much for watching. Press the like button if you want to see more videos. This is very important, and also subscribe to the channel for more. Bye bye.